Yeah, and you wanted to have so much ashes.
Careful here.
So we're taking it off.
And what do you guys think?
It was really pretty, but I feel like I went on a really long hike.
I like the shaded section.
All we did was go down that.
It was very steep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But very, very beautiful.
Please take this insect from me.
So we are at the Mohlala Rock Viewpoint. Yeah. Sun is so bright. So that's Timuli Cave, but there isn't a road to access it. We're actually just somewhere on a pass. Well, people do come and chill here, but the gate is locked tight. So that's Timuli Cave. And so we've made it to Ash River, Caledon Tunnel. It's quite busy. Got some bikers.
What's the matter? Shot.
Yes, swapped out the shades. Wearing cherry shades. We're on our way to our accommodation, so just gonna grab some shots of the road, and then we will be there.
I want you to get like that. I'll help you. It's not like that when I was taking it at the door. Just die.
So, didn't follow the instructions or directions. Now we have to do a U-turn. Fun times. gotta wait until this one is finished feeding. There we go.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Can I sleep here? This is where I want to wake up.
So, made it to our accommodation. It's a horse farm, or equestrian farm. Very exciting. It's a nice cottage, 2-bed. It's a loft, the in-suite downstairs. But yeah, looking forward to spending a few days here and exploring the area. Awesome.
I want to make it pretty again.
No, it's fine. Eat.
Oh.
Good morning. We had an early night after supper in town at a restaurant called Treat. Weather forecast is cold for the next 2 days. I think the weather app was saying it's going to be 16 degrees lower than it was yesterday. So yes, we're just going to play it by ear, see if we can hike or do some other activities. Going to town, I think there's a smash room that we can go play in. So yeah, gonna have some breakfast and take it from there. Morning. Awesome. We got our permits for the Clarens Village Conservancy. So we're gonna see if we can hike up to the Titanic Rock and the Waterfall, potentially. You're disturbing me as I was talking to my fans.
Accidental.
Our 2 fans, ne?
We don't have 2, don't we have more?
11.
Yes.
It's nice to have the sounds, this ambient sounds.
Can you see the hole in my pants?
How are we feeling?
Good. My nose
So
is
confused about how we're getting up. My nose is really cold.
Nah, why?
Because it's
No.
a family photo.
So we're walking around the Titanic Rock. It would be better if we
both healthy and not.
Yes, but now we have to go back because it started raining. What are we doing now?
We're going to the blissful loop.
What's that? So I'm walking across in my gumboots. So excited. Oh, check this. Somebody's license plate. Yeah. I am freezing.
7 degrees.
I don't know. Oh yes, my
7 degrees. All
Like-
this seems fine.
But you know, in the clouds are just rolling past us. I see you, Super. Finally, it stopped raining.
Where are we going?
We are going to Clarens Conservancy. We still have our permit because it's valid for 3 days. Because yesterday's hike was cut short by the rain. So that's cool. So we're gonna go do that. And then this one needs a picture at the Clarens sign. So we'll give her one of those. Because hashtag proper tourist. It's a day.
Yeah. And right now we're driving through mud. So we're gonna enjoy the experience. The car is slipping and sliding, but it's all good. Under my gumboots on.
Give your gumboot. What does that have to do with driving?
I'm ready for the mud.
Okay.
If we get
I was
stuck.
like, wow. How was that?
That was fun. I won't lie. That was exhilaration.
How was it? Even when the window got dirty.
Okay, that was a bit freaky because I wasn't expecting the mud to come under the windshield. Yeah, so just gonna check on the car. Okay.
This isn't golf.
Just patting.
Oh. It's just petting.
Am I the only one waiting a most?
Yeah.
I think it's any way behind this line.
Oh!
100 points.
Impressive.
100 points.
There's your ball.
Oh, okay. Come,
So that's
We
what
said this is not how we play.
it just makes sense.
Okay, so that was 2 hits.
That wasn't even
That was
a
wrong,
That was
eh?
a Can I celebrate me? Celebrate me. 3, right? Yeah. Somewhere there. Ooh, ooh. You didn't need it.
Whenever there's a hole in one except you, ne?
Because your fans are watching this, I can't.
I'm referring to this
use
hole.
profanity.
Right this hole.
That was not one. Okay.
I'm not sure what kind of rules of golf apply here anymore.
So, I won the bonus round, which means I win.
Yeah, it's like
That's
it's winning a hole in one.
Da-da-da-da.
Ne? So you win 500,000. But the tournament, yeah, who's the winner?
But I won money. Where's the 500?
Yes, 33. You had
500.
34, and like Sheikh had.
No, she's 34. I'm 35.
Anyway,
But I won the last hole. Can
I
you,
won
can
the
you show
whole-
them how difficult it is?
I won the whole tournament.
Okay.
These look like what? Cheese curls. So we are at Clarens Waterfall. Pretty nice scene. Very quiet. Oh, obviously besides the noise of the river.
You're gonna sleep early tonight because it must be open. What? It's just like, this place is not good for you.
What's that cake? That sweet cake that just melts? It's like dessert. Look at this. Alright, let me try again.
What's happening?
Oh, it's muddy. Proper muddy.
But you did such a great job, hey?
I think when we get to a town where they do a car wash, we do that, eh?
Yeah. Just maybe a spray down.
The sport is called mud skating. You go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Eating.
There we go.
Oh, this is a wheelie. Oh, you look so right.
Hold on. You got something. Did you see this? It's up, Baba. I'm going far away.
Come, summarize the trip.
The trip was amazing. We started off in Joburg and then we went on a game drive.
No, you can
Oh,
that part.
We know that part.
so what am I?
You're just saying on your part.
Yeah, and not that here.
Start again. In 3. The trip was amazing. We left this morning at 4:30. Ate at home, but I absolutely enjoyed every second of it, even the rainy weather. Yeah, thank you, Candice and Alex.
Awesome. So if you are driving to Clarens or driving away from Clarens early morning, careful of the fog and
And the potholes.
Potholes. Yeah, it's like playing chess or checkers, whatever you want to call it. Trying to dodge these potholes. But yeah, enjoy Clarens. Yeah, we'll catch up.
And remember to check the road to your accommodation and maybe get some gumboots.
Invest in gumboots.